DALL-E is an impressive tool that we will see today. It was developed by OpenAI, which is owned by Elon Musk, and it's really useful to use it, and you will see that we can do really amazing things and how we can use it for free. So let's check this tool out. So when you go on the website, so DALL-E, they will show you like some examples of how you can use it. So for instance, I think this one is really nice. So a sea otter with a pearl earring, by some artist, and you can see that it's really interesting, the results you can get. It's really impressive if you don't want to pay for someone to do this, and it's really easy to use. So we will see right here, you can write whatever you want. So for instance, I wanted to see the difference between a pug and a French bulldog, both in Dubai. So you can see like the two are here. So I guess this one is the French bulldog and this one is the pug. So it really created this image for us, and that's kind of interesting. If I wanted something different, so a French bulldog coding a React app, it can be quite interesting to see what it will propose. Another things that can be nice is, for instance, so this is the result you get when you do this. It didn't really understand React, so I'm not sure we can see React, but we can see dog programming, and this one we can see it's a bit strange, the result we get. Like it doesn't really seems like a clear quality, but this one I think it's quite nice. Yeah, just a dog on a computer. This one too. This one we can see, yeah, the dog on the computer, but yeah, maybe this one is not the best. Surprise me. What can you do? So teddy bear shopping for grocery, one line drawing. It takes a bit of time, but okay, teddy bear shopping, one line drawing. This is not one line, but it's okay. What about the same but not a one line drawing? Cartoon. Let's see how it is. Okay, so that's exactly what I wanted, like in a cartoon, and 2 teddy bears, always 2, so 5 teddy bears shopping. Can we get something more great? Why there's only 4 always? 4, 4, 4. Oh, this one there's 5, yeah. Okay, that's not exactly what I wanted, but okay, it's not so bad. Okay, so now on the website, so we will go here, personal, and view API key. And here we will be able to create an API key. So this key we will use it for our create React app. So it's really important so that we can call OpenAI API. And so how we do it, we just create key. Here it is, so you copy it somewhere. And that's all you need. So new document. I will just copy it here so that we can use it. Okay. So the next step is to create the React app. So how you do it? So here npx create React app, and I will call it DALL-E Api. So all the script now will launch so that we can create the React app. We will also use MUI, so it is for material design component. We use it so that it's really easy to create buttons. So if we go to the product MUI core, get started, you can see all the components. You have, for instance, a button like this. You just have to call it like this. So it's really useful for any project, and I always use this library because it's so convenient. So we will install it after. So just copy paste this one. So here DALL-E npm react npm run start to see it. So it is launching. We will launch the npm install MUI material, and what we will need, so it's a text field, so this one. So we finished to install. So now in the file app.js, here we have the text field. And we want also a button. So we want to make, we don't want to line, but we want a button. So like this one. Send. So the next step is to install OpenAI. So we will do npm install OpenAI. So now that we can get the data from the image, and we want to store this data somewhere. So URL set URL with set state, and at the beginning it will be empty, and here we want to do set URL with this. And can we actually okay, so we can just do that, I guess. And if it's empty, we want to put the go, else we want to put the URL. So in our case, hope it's loading. Okay, and it just changed the image, and I don't know if I want football player on Mars, so I send it, and is it working? A bit slow, still pending, so we just have to wait a bit more. And it just finished. Yeah, this is the picture we got.